Yeah, this for the players out there. Check out this dope shit, man.
Pay us another dollar, we getting paid. Another day, another dollar living in the bay. Hustle for my baby, trying to play in my state.